I think it's a nice extra attachment for your tractor to maybe make up hooking up some implements just a little bit easier, a little bit quicker. Attaching and detaching. One of the things I hate more than anything is having to connect and disconnect 3-point hitches. Very thankful to have a tractor. Been a huge help, big deal for me. Being able to have a piece of equipment like that, even if it's old. It definitely does make changing out those attachments a little bit easier, a little bit faster, assuming they're all compatible. So I guess bottom line, I think it's a good extra product. I don't know if I feel like I personally need a quick hitch bad enough to have gone out and spent my own money on one, but if I was looking to buy a quick hitch, this is definitely one I would consider. Nothing wrong with it at all, really, that I can see, other than that it probably should be compatible with all of the attachments that the company that sells it also sells. So, but like I said, that could just be the nature of quick hitches. Not everything is going to line up perfectly. Not everything is going to fit just right. There'll be a link to LANDTOP's website in the description below. LANDTOP does sell a lot of heavy equipment parts. They even sell a few parts for the Ford 8N tractor that I have. So they're even going back to the 50s, supplying parts. They have a lot of hydraulic parts, components, things like that. They have several different 3-point attachments. Basically anything they can send in the mail. You're not going to get a box blade through them. At least they don't have one yet. Maybe they'll figure out a way to send that one through a UPS package as well. I have no idea how they would do that, but great selection of lightweight 3-point attachments there for reasonable prices. I've looked at their website several times, looking at the stuff that they have. It definitely doesn't seem like a bad place to pick up some 3-point attachments, so check them out. There will be a link in the description below to this product, and there also will be a discount code as well if you choose to purchase anything through the website. Thanks everybody for watching. If you can give the video a thumbs up, help out with the YouTube algorithms, I'd appreciate it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.